Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope so that you all are fine. As you know, students, that we are on chapter number 5, part B, My Playmate, and we have completed its exercise from book. Today we are going to start the exercise of this chapter from workbook, and its page is 35. My Playmate. A part is articles. As we have read about articles in the exercise of textbook, and this is a revision and review so that you can easily understand that what are the articles and how you have to use them in your language. So you know that there are three articles: a, and the. If we look grammatically, we can say that a and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article. These articles are used before nouns or adjectives when we refer to a particular person, place, or thing, or to any one of many persons, places, or things. We will learn that where we have to use these articles and how you have to prepare your own examples by using these articles. So the first one is the use of a. We use a in front of words beginning with a consonant. Students, as you know that there are 26 letters, 26 alphabets in English language, and 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. So we use a in front of words beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a rat, a man, a station, a beautiful flower, a nice idea. You can easily look that it is beginning with R, man is beginning with M, station is getting started with S, beautiful is started with B, and nice, the first one letter of this word is N. All these letters are consonant letters. So whenever we have to write down the article in front of that, we will use a in front of that. So some examples, the first one statement is that read these rules about articles. Under each rule, give more examples of your own. So I have prepared these examples for you. A key, a car, a flag, a book, a doll, a bag. So students, you can easily make your own examples by using different words and which start with the consonant letter, and you can use the article a in front of that. Here B part, we use an before words beginning with a vowel. So students, vowels are actually sounds, and there are 5 vowels, as you know that they are A, E, I, O, U. But instead of these vowels, some words are there which are starting with consonant, but the sound is vowel, like hour, H-O-U-R, honest, H-O-N-E-S-T. So if the words are beginning with vowel sound, we will put an before them. Here some examples are given that how an article is used before the words. An elephant, an egg starting with E, an actor, this word is starting with A, an exciting story, this is starting with E. As I have told you earlier that articles are used before nouns and adjectives. So story is a noun, but exciting is an adjective word. So we have to write down an because it is starting with vowel. An old man. Now you can make your own examples. I have prepared some examples for you. an apple, an owl, an umbrella, an honest man, an ostrich. So students, as I have told you earlier that some words are starting with consonant but the sound is vowel. So this word honest is starting with H but the sound is a, honest. So the sound is vowel. That is why we will put an article before this word. Now we move towards the next one, part C. Here the use of definite article is told. We use the for rivers, oceans, seas and mountains. So students, you can easily learn this that where you have to use the article the. You have to use in front of rivers, and if different the name of any ocean is given, you have to use the article the. If seas, the name of seas or mountains are used, you have to use the article the. Here are some examples given: the Ganges, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Himalayas. Here I have prepared some examples for you. You can take a look of that. The Pacific Ocean, this is the name of ocean. The Indus, this is the name of river. The Black Sea, this is the name of sea. The Ketu, it is the name of the mountain. So all the examples of these before which we put the article the are given here. You can also make your own examples. Now students, we now move towards the next one page. This is page number 36 and D part. Here the use of the is also elaborated, so we can easily learn that where we can put the article. We use the before nouns when we know there is only one of a particular thing. So students, there are many things, many buildings, many important things, but when we are talking about any particular thing, we put the article before that nouns, like the sun, the wind, the rain, the earth, the Minar-e-Pakistan. So these are the examples given here about particular things, that there is no any example of this, that only one sun is there. The earth is, if we are talking about a special wind which blows in any special season, we can write the article the in front of that. Minar-e-Pakistan is a special monument, so we put the article the before that. I have prepared some examples for you. The Quran. As you know that there are many books in the world, but the holy book of the Muslims is Quran. So this is the important, this is a particular book. So we will put the article in front of that. The sky. The tallest girl. So if we are talking about different students in the class, and one girl is a particular girl which is the tallest in all the class, among all the class, so we will put the article while we are going to use the superlative degree of adjective. So the is used because we are talking about a particular girl. The Bible. There are many books, students, but the holy book of Christians is Bible, so we will put the article before that. The moon. I think so the use of article is quite clear to you. Now we move towards the next one part. You will learn other rules about articles later on. Okay students, the use of articles is not a very small topic. Some important things are explained to you, and you will learn the other rules of using the article later on. Now this is activity 2, put articles in the blanks. So which rules you have read in this exercise on page number 35 and 36. Now you, by using that knowledge, you can fill these blanks very appropriately. So dash boy and dash girl live in dash north of Pakistan. a boy and a girl, because we are using or we are talking about these girl and boy for the first time, so we will use a article in both blanks. A boy and a girl live in the north of Pakistan. This is the special area of Pakistan, so we will write the article in this. Dash city that they live is in dash capital of dash country. So here we are talking about a particular city which is the capital of the country. Country name is Pakistan here mentioned. So we will write down the article in these three blanks. The city that they live in is the capital of the country. Dash boy's name is Arshad. So students, look here, the article will be used here because we came to know from the previous line that a boy is here. So as we know about this boy, that is why we use the article in this blank. The boy's name is Arshad. The girl's name is Asma. Now, Arshad is dash brother of Asma. There is a relationship of both girl and boy is elaborated, and we know about these boys and girls. So we will write down the article in this blank. Arshad is the brother of Asma. The children have dash pet cat. The children have a pet cat. I hope so that the use of articles is quite clear to you, and you will learn this exercise and solve on your book. I hope so that all these points are quite clear. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.